Namaste, my name is Ajay. Welcome to Rishikesh Nath Yogshala. Here we got lots of query about how to relieve the back pain. So here I am with some of the easiest posture to show you to get rid of the back pain. So you have to just lie down on stomach as I am and keeping the feet flat, hands forward, press the palms and lift the body, chin and chest up, and keep pushing the lower back down, keep pushing the hips down. Stay there for a few seconds. As you feel comfortable, you can bend your legs and again push the lower back down and hips down. Squeeze the buttocks. Then look forward opposite and relax. Feet apart, relax few seconds. And then again, one more time. This time bring your hands closer. Lift chin and chest up. Push lower back down. Don't hyperextend your elbows. Keep elbows bent. Stay there, look forward. And again, you can bend your knees. Push the hips down, look forward. And relax. And move into the child pose. Gently. Knees slightly open and stretch your arms. You'll stay there for a few seconds. So these are some of the easy exercises of how to relieve back pain. I hope this video will help you to relieving your back pain. Thank you for watching.